What's up, guys? It's Shellback here. This is the end of game number 8. Right now I'm blowing against my friend Byron. He throws nothing but Storm. He's throwing the Vivid. He just left a light 710. In this current game, he just ended out with a 234, I think. It's still not a bad game. 233. It still ain't a bad game. Even though you got 2 open, it's still not bad though. 233 is still a pretty good game.
Now we're playing pool. Yes. We might play pool for another one of these. I suck at that. Are you serious? I've been playing air ball for like 10 years.
If I had a 710, I would tell you to make it.
I didn't make mine.
Now you gotta get those 2 all the way on the other side.
Made it?
Yeah.
9? From a 233 to 236. Pretty good.